back to J&J TV. I hope you're well, hope you're good, because today we've got a special video for you today.
Yeah, guys, today we have a vlog, and this is literally just a spontaneous date night. We booked some hotel, which we'll show you around and whatnot. The hotel is beautiful, the scenes are beautiful, at night time would be so nice, but the room...
It's alright, innit? It's a bit meaty. It's a bit meaty. It's a bit sticky,
yeah. There is an option to upgrade. So if you guys wanted to come here, you can actually upgrade, but we just forgot to do that. So the room's very, very, very small, but it's okay. We're still gonna have a good time, you know?
We're gonna enjoy. We're gonna enjoy.
But stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
All that ish.
Yeah, and we'll get into this video. Bye. Then you have Mr. Grumpy here. But yeah, we're getting ready now, so we'll see y'all in a bit. Guys, the lighting is dead, but we're basically ready. And now
I'm wearing something too small for me.
Why? Like, no one would even know. Like, guys, basically I washed his white tea.
No, but you didn't shrink it.
No, I know I didn't shrink it. Ow. Hey babe.
Look at the car key.
Hey babe. Obviously. You're probably wondering why we're at the car park and we're not in a restaurant.
You're probably wondering why I've got a black top on now. I changed it because it came back.
You're probably now wondering why. Why did they come back?
Yeah, we missed our reservation.
We didn't miss our reservation.
You missed it?
No.
Currently it's 11:15. The guy said be there by 11:15.
Yeah, but the reason...
Which is 11:15 on the dot as well.
Yeah, but we didn't come back at 11:15. Basically, guys, where our hotel is and where the restaurant is, there's a tunnel that you need to get through to get there, and the tunnel was closed. So guys, we didn't make it to Soho where our booking is, but I ditched my heels and basically we found somewhere that's still open. Took cab here. What's it called, babe? Where are we going?
Lucky Kane.
Lucky Kane. We went there on our anniversary actually. But yeah, we're going back there, so stay tuned. That's kind of lit. That's strong. That's strong. Morning, guys. Morning. Hope y'all are all good. So right now it's the day after. We finna head out to get some breakfast, which is included in the package we got, so it's lit. Ooh, that lighting. Guys, I feel like we're in primary school. Got little lunch boxes.
Little lunch box again.
Okay, so breakfast is served. So guys, we have chilled a little bit longer because we had a late checkout. Things didn't go to plan, but it is well. What do you think of the hotel?
Not the greatest.
Yeah, it's a weird one.
Yeah,
Like the scenes and everything is really, really pretty. So if you want to come take pictures and stuff, yeah, I'd hear it. But
6 out of 10.
oh, yeah, I would say a 6 out of 10 as well. No, I'll give them a 6 because the scenes and stuff is quite nice. But the rooms are dead. If you're going to come here, make sure you get an upgrade. And if you're looking for a big breakfast, it's just not going to be that.
Yo, people.
Hi, guys.
We're in an unusual setting today. We just decided to vlog a random day in the life of what we do.
Of Josh and Joy, really? Yeah.
Sunday.
Literally that. We just thought today, let's just go out to London, see what's about, see what we can do.
Yeah, man.
Get a few pictures and all that.
Yeah, man.
All that jazz. So we're about to be on our way. Stay tuned. Why are you just putting yourself on the door?
What?
So right now, guys, we're basically in Stratford. We're at the top of
In
here.
H&M. Trying to get some sunglasses so I can look like a holiday everywhere.
So you can copy me, basically.
So I can look like a holiday everywhere.
So you can copy me, basically.
These are the police glasses.
Try them. They might suit you.
I don't like them. No.
I can't lie. These all look a bit girly, babe. Why did he drop that? Did you see him? Bad vibes. Whilst he's shopping. How rude is he?
Just stops. In a way, everyone can just squeeze up.
Okay, guys, so we've left Stratford now. We're currently in Holborn.
Wait, what's the place called?
I don't know. It's like Unit 8 something.
It's nice. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Let's get in here, let's get in here, let's get in here. Nice little place here. This is nice, you know, it's alright.
Is it?
Read the honeycomb.
My wings.
Try the honeycomb.
Oh. Okay, guys.
No.
So we are in Fuafua, and our food is here. Go, babe. Take your first bite.
It's not ever soft. It's not ever soft.
How is it? Is it good? It's good. Okay, I need to dig into mine now. Yeah, you can tell we had a lot of fun. This one's still developing, but it's cool. But yeah, good old camera.
Alright,
So guys,
people.
how y'all doing? We back. No, I'm playing.
Back.
But yeah, so that is the end of our vlog now, guys. Hope you enjoyed
our video.
Yeah, day in our life. We're probably gonna go cinema, but there's no point of like vlogging that right now. Yeah. So thank you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you. Anyways, we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Wish loving my best friend. I promise it won't end. I'm putting my soul in. If I had one